The Hit Air is simple to use. Attach the one-touch release clip to a motorcycle. Put on the jacket and connect it with the one-touch release clip before driving the motorcycle. If the one-touch clip is secured properly, you'll hear the click sound. When a driver is thrown off a motorcycle, the key ball is pulled out and CO2 gas is sent into the airbags from the cartridge built into the jacket. This next image illustrates the flow of CO2 gas. The airbags swell instantly because CO2 gas is sent into the respective airbags at the same time. This mechanism enables the airbags to completely swell in 0.5 seconds. The key ball is one of the major features of the Hit Air system. The flexible movement ensures activation from any direction. The system is activated when the force exceeds about 30 kilograms. For this reason, the system is not activated if you fail to disconnect the wire. The Hit Air system guarantees the safety and security of motorcycle riders.